Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today, for class 11, trigonometry. This is the fifth part. You have already got four parts on trigonometry. Before starting, I have little suggestion. If you go through the videos repeatedly, I may assure you basic idea you will get, and basic idea very important. This is why my suggestion, you must go through the videos repeatedly. Today on submultiple angle, the formulas on this chapter very important. This is why little introduction on formula. Please pay your full attention. See, sin A equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. How this is coming? This is coming also that basic four theorems that you have already learned: sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. How this is coming from that theorem, see the proof. You have learned sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is known to you very well. And in place of A, if I write, in place of B, if I write A, see, then what it will be? Sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. Okay. Now, A plus A, that is 2A. By adding these two are same terms, by adding we are getting this. This is multiple angle from the compound angle from that basic theorem. And if we divide this left hand side and right hand side by 2, then we will get, see what we are getting: sin 2A by 2 and 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. And simplifying sin 2A by 2, that is sin A, simplifying we are getting this. This is the formula of submultiple. The root of the formula and relation of the formula, if you understand clearly, that will be helpful for remembering the formulas. And I have told repeatedly, these formulas not important for only in trigonometry. Frequently you have to use in calculus also. So you must learn by heart. Now see the formula. There are different form, that is 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2, and another by, that is 3 sin A by 3 minus 4 sin cube A by 3. By transposition, from this transposition we are getting this. Sin cube A by 3 equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sin A by 3 minus sin A. This is the first formula. Second formula, cos A. Same way, cos A means cos A plus A, that is cos 2A. And cos 2A, if you divide by 2, then you will get cos A. And cos A equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. And by transposition, that means in place of sin square A, we may write 1 minus cos square A. By simplifying, we are getting 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Similarly, we may write cos square A by 2, that is 1 minus sin square A. By simplifying, we will get 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. And there is another form that we are also getting by simplification: 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. From this, by transposition, that is 1 plus cos A. This one, if you bring from right to left, then it will be plus. So 1 plus cos A equal to 2 cos square A by 2, 2 cos square A by 2. Similarly, 1 minus cos A equal to 2 sin square A by 2. And there is another form of cos A, that is 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. All the forms you have to remember. This frame we are getting simply by transposition, that is cos cube a by 3 equal to 1 by 4 cos a plus 3 cos a by 3. And another two, this is also we are getting from the sin a and cos a. By simplifying, we are getting this tan a by 2 equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus sin square a by 2, cot a by 2 equal to cot square a by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. By looking these two frames simultaneously, difference easily you will understand. That is 2 tan a by 2, that is 2 cot a by 2. This is in numerator, this is in denominator. Here is 1 is plus, here is 1 minus. If you look the formula at a time, then it will be easier for remembering. I think in this way, if you try to understand, then easily you will remember the formulas. On these formulas, one sum is given, and now see the board how the solution is coming. A sum is given, that is sec a, so that sec x plus tan x equal to tan into pi by 4 plus x by 2. That is left hand side, LHS equal to sec x plus tan x. Sec x, that is you know very well, that we may write cos x, and sin x, you may sin x by cos x, that you have learned at class 9. By LCM, cos x equal 1 plus sin x. Now see, 1 we may replace by trigonometrical expression, what, that is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Since the submultiple, this is why by 2. And this we may replace by this formula. Sin a, that is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by, divided by cos a. Cos a, that we may write cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. That is we may write cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. No problem up to this. Here only we have applied the formula. Now we have to simplify to get this. How I am simplifying? Follow this, easily you will understand. Very simple sum. You will not feel any difficulties. Your attention only, you have to pay your attention. Now we may write this cos a, I am writing first, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Why cos I am writing first? By following a step, if you notice attentively, then easily you will understand. This is a square minus b square. This is a plus b whole square. Is a square minus b square, that is known to you very well. A plus b into a minus b. Here that is in place of a, that is cos. Oh, here is x. Sorry, this will not be a. This is x by 2. Here x is given. I have written the formula. Okay. What is given in the sum, exactly that form you have to write. So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. No problem up to this. Then this is plus and this is also plus. So this and this square will be cancelled. So what is coming? cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now dividing numerator denominator by cos x by 2. Dividing numerator and denominator, that is, it will be 1 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, that is tan x by 2 divided by 1. Oh, here is minus, sorry, this will be minus tan x by 2. You have to write dividing numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. By dividing, we are getting this, that you must mention. Now we are not getting the answer. Tan 45 degree 1. So in place of 1 we may write tan pi by 4, that is 45 degree, and plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus, here is nothing, but we may consider 1, and 1 we may replace by tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2. That is, we are getting the formula, frame of formula that you know very well. That will be tan a plus b. In place of a, here is given pi by 4, and in place of b, that is given x by 2. So this is, we have to prove. We have got the right hand side, so we may write R H S, then proved. Sum is completed. Up to this, if you do, then you may expect the full marks. Now you have to remember the advantage of the video class. Any point, if you feel any difficulties, you may go through the videos repeatedly. Okay, thank you everybody.